Alright, I'm at Peace Park today, going to go paint. This is my setup. I'm in Austin, Texas. A lot of these paintings are going to be from Austin because I live in Austin. There's two lights there. I'll just do a thing like that. That's cool. And he was up right there. And I like the bridge ends right about here somewhere. Oh, this is guessing. Okay. And since I'm gonna say the tower. I'll put the tower about there. Okay. To stop the shadow that was over here. There's a nice long shadow for the bridge. That's where that other guy was parked. So we'll have this other shadow kind of leads right about there. It is hot. This line of cars. I think on the back side of the hill is to go right, but this side over here can get a little darker. But we won't go there just yet. Just get a little bit more white. Okay, now we'll just do the side just a little bit darker. A little bit of blue, a little bit of burnt sienna. Come in this way. Toss some of this in. That's just good for now. Let's fill this in over here. Some white, start off with white because we want it to go light. A little yellow, a little bit of King's Gray. A lot of yellow actually. It's got a nice strong green. There. Maybe a hint of green down here. It's so hot, I'm literally sweating out my glove. What other yellow, bright greens do we got here? I don't think we have any other bright greens. Maybe some over here. Just need to get some green of the trees that are over here. They're back there. Here's a little more yellow, cadmium yellow pale, and ultramarine blue. This one's too dark, so I'm just lighten it up a little.
Wow, dude, that's really cool.
Thank you.
Do you have like a social media I can follow?
It's Randall Cogburn.
Here, I'll just pull it up on my phone real quick.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I don't really use social media like at all.
Oh, that's fine.
Randall what?
Cogburn, Cogburn.
Oh, Cogburn, interesting. Cogburn. Impressionist painting, the first hit.
Yep.
What's the origin of that? Cogburn?
Like Rooster Cogburn, like, I don't know, like Western movies. It's like, Scottish.
English? Oh, Scottish.
Yeah.
Cool, man. I'll check it out.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
I'm Daniel.
Hi, Daniel.
See you around, man.
Alright. I'm going to line this up. I'm going to haze under this green here. Still need to put in that far building. Far building's a little peachy. A little bit of cadmium red into this gray. I think we'll do it. There's actually trees growing way over there. Let me zoom in. You can see this. Like there's trees right there. Let's get this building needs to be straight up and down. Might use some of that. It's the same mixture, but I need to line it up for the highlight on the side of the other building. I'll just put it over there. So let's work on these. I might be able to just put this color in this color.
O sea, sin factura ni nada, pero creo que había para eso había otra cosa, ¿no?
It's a little darker on this side. This one's got a little more red into it. Other cars. see if I can get dark. There's a green refrigerator.
I didn't want to break my stuff. You went like circling like 10 hours per time, bro.
And some of these cars over here.
Circled around this fence.
Now we need to highlight these cars in front, make them look out more. Alright, going for highlights in these cars. Still need to work in the grays here. Get the shape of this grill. I think we can see this in here. Chisel this back a little bit more. And that's the painting, the finished painting framed, popped it in a wood frame. And the truck was a fun thing to put in. And I'm glad I had enough time to get it in and capture some of the details inside, just from memory, just to kind of say, oh, okay, well, there's some stuff in there, let me try to put it in. And added a person on the left, looked like he's kind of walking, getting ready to go into the car there. And yeah, I mean, it came together pretty nice. I really like it. I like the warmth underneath the shadow and the bridge, and this format I'm really digging the 8x24 format. But anyway, if you have any questions on this painting, go ahead and ask. I'll try to do my best to answer them, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.